8 Low-code and no-code machine learning platforms to use. Low-code and no-code machine learning platforms benefit businesses and individuals by helping them build more innovative applications using the power of artificial intelligence. Let's discuss some of the best low-code and no-code machine learning platforms to start and experiment on your ML journey. 1. MakeML. Create object segmentation and detection ML models with MakeML without manual coding. It allows you to create a rich dataset easily and manage it well. You can also train your ML models and test them to preview their actions. 2. Obviously AI. Predict data within minutes with Obviously AI machine learning platform without writing a single line of code. This includes the complete process of designing machine learning algorithms and predicting the outcomes from them in a single click. 3. SuperAnnotate. It is an end-to-end platform to annotate, manage, and version ground truth data for your artificial intelligence application. It helps you scale and automate your AI pipeline 3x 5x faster by using a robust toolset, industry-leading annotation services, and a powerful data management system. 4. Teachable Machine. Train your computer to detect or recognize your sounds, poses, and images with Teachable Machine. It gives you an easy and fast way to create robust ML models for your applications, websites, and more without the knowledge of coding. 5. Apple's Create ML. Experience a new way of teaching and training machine learning models on your Apple Mac. It helps you create ML models easily with Apple's Create ML and train them well on your Mac. 6. PyCaret. PyCaret is a low-code and open-source machine learning platform that can automate your machine learning workflows through Python. This easy-to-use, easy-to-learn, and simple machine learning library let you spend less time coding and more on the analysis. 7. Lobe. Train your applications to identify plants, see gestures, count reps, feel emotions, sense colors, check safety, and more with Lobe. It helps you train ML models and offers easy-to-use and free tools, and brings everything you need for your ML models. 8. MonkeyLearn. Get cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology with MonkeyLearn that makes your tasks simple to clean, visualize, and label customer feedback. It is an all-in-one data visualization and no-code text analysis studio that allows you to gain complete insight into your data and analyze it. Conclusion. Low-code and no-code machine learning platforms offer an effortless way of creating applications, sites, and software products, whether you are a coder or no-coder. Hence, pick the best low-code or no-code machine learning platform of your choice to create your ML models and datasets. Thanks for watching.